This is our open toe foot. It's our standard foot. It has an open window here for visibility. It's just a great overall foot. It's what your machine comes with it. Next, we have the closed toe foot, which as you can see is a closed. There's no opening here. It has a little bit lower visibility around the needle where you're stitching, but it is really great for overall ruler work or templates, following those. Again, when we install a different foot, we want to manually turn the machine around all the way down and make sure it doesn't hit the foot in any way. Next, we've got a really great option that we call the saucer foot. It is great if you've got excessively thick batting or if you've got appliques or anything hanging up above the quilt that a normal foot is hanging or snagging on, and it would impede your motion of your stitching. Again, on like all the other feet, once it's installed and it's at the height that you want it, you want to run it through its range of motion and make sure it clears. Now lastly, we have 2 feet in one. This is our 1/4-inch roller bearing foot. As you see here, it has a roller bearing made onto the foot here. This is excellent for running around rulers or templates. It glides very smoothly. It doesn't hang up. If you have a very detailed template, something with very tight turns, and you want to get a lot closer to the template or whatever you're at, this roller bearing pops off, and this we call the template foot. It glides very, very close and very detailed to whatever you're going on, and the edge of this foot is just millimeters from your needle for very good accuracy. And again, like all of them, before we use it, we want to run the machine through its manual range of motion to be sure that nothing touches.